Hello students, I am Sudhir Tomar. In the last video we studied parts of sentence, means subject, helping verb, object and remaining part of the sentence. Today we are going to study kinds of sentence. In English, on the basis of sense or meaning, we have 5 kinds of sentence. Namely, they are assertive or simple sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative, optative and exclamatory. Let's start with their names. First, assertive, interrogative. Third one, imperative. Fourth one, optative. And fifth, exclamatory. असर्टिव और सिंपल, जिसे हम साधारण वाक्य कहते हैं, इंटेरोगेटिव प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य, इंपेरेटिव आदेशात्मक वाक्य, ऑप्टेटिव इच्छावाचक वाक्य और एक्सक्लेमेटरी विस्मयादिबोधक वाक्य. These are the 5 kinds of sentence. We will study each of them one by one. Let's start with assertive sentence. Let's start with assertive sentence. Assertive. Assert वर्ब से बना है. Assert means to state or say something clearly. Assert means to state or say something clearly. किसी बात को clearly कहना. A sentence that tells us something and ends with a full stop. असर्टिव सेंटेंस क्या होता है? एक सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अस समथिंग, जो हमें कुछ बताता है, एंड एंड्स, और जो फुल स्टॉप के साथ जो समाप्त होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज एन इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट. He is an intelligent student. It is raining. He speaks the truth. These are the examples of assertive sentence. It has 2 forms. Means assertive has 2 forms. First, affirmative, and second one, negative. First, affirmative, negative. Affirmative क्या है? Affirmative it shows a declaration. He is an intelligent student. It is raining. He speaks the truth. Now the negative, it shows नेगेशन, नकारात्मकता को दिखाता है, यह नकारात्मकता को दिखाता है। नेगेशन द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ समथिंग। जैसे ये सेंटेंसेस हैं, इन्हीं को हम बना सकते हैं। जैसे he is not an intelligent student. It is not raining. He doesn't speak the truth. Assertive sentence. Let's continue further. Second, interrogative. Interrogate means to ask. A sentence that asks a question and ends with a sign of interrogation or the question mark. A sentence, एक सेंटेंस दैट आस्क्स अ क्वेश्चन, जो एक प्रश्न पूछता है और जिसका अंत होता है साइन ऑफ इंटरोगेशन, प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह के साथ, वह क्या कहलाता है? प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस। इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस we can make an interrogative sentence in two ways. Interrogative sentences that begin with helping verb, helping verbs, and the sentences that begin with WH family words, WH family words. Helping verbs that begin with helping verbs means do, does, is, am, are, was, were, did, has, have, had, will, shall. Helping verbs से शुरू होते हैं. And the other one begin with WH family words. WH family words what, where, when, how, which. इन सभी से. Let's see the example. Begin with helping verbs. जैसे do you study? Do you study? Does he speak the truth? Will you help me? Begin with WH family words. How do you study? How do you study? Where do you live? How can you help me? These are some examples. The sentences that begin with helping verbs and the sentences that begin with WH family words. Students, today we have studied kinds of sentences, means kinds of sentences on the basis of meaning or sense. Simple or assertive sentence, interrogative, we studied with their examples. In the next video, we will continue this topic. We will study the remaining 3 kinds of the sentences. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.